This is the Hubbell HBL2811 watertight safety shroud plug. It's a 30 amp, 3-phase, 120/208 volt AC, 4-pole, 5-wire plug. It's their twist lock type. Very nicely built. Looks like that. It's a nylon body, brass prongs there. Get nice and close so you can see how nice and thick those are. Put a little squeeze on them. They're good quality. Tell by the screws there. Hardware's pretty decent. Now let's take a look at the build of this. I think you'll be pretty impressed with it. So one thing I like about this is the polycarbonate terminal assembly. Nice and marked. Again, very well built. It's solid. Good construction. Good hardware again. Brass screws. Got some nickel coating steel. Screws go all the way through there. Nice. Let's take a look at the strain release assembly here. Another nice thing about it. Let's get these screws out of here. Strain relief is channeled. So when you get that cord back together, clamp down, it's not going anywhere. That's going to have a nice solid bite on there, and that's going to take the pressure off of that terminal assembly. The other thing with it, so you've got this nice boot. Keep dust out of there and contamination. Really well thought out. Again, with that nylon body, that is not brittle. It's got a little bit of give, but you're going to have some really good service life to that. It's a well put out product. It looks like that's rated to hold 16 gauge to 8 gauge wire. They're saying stranded copper only. Goes together pretty decent. You got it slotted there. Back together. See, you can put one of these together in the field pretty darn quick. Oh. My favorite thing about this, the good old US of A. Hubbell HBL2811. Pick one up. I think you'll like it. Thanks for watching. Take care.